Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can tell by the title, today I did this purplish, pinkish, it's kind of pink but it's kind of brown, whatever, I don't know. It's more like a neutral into a deep purple type of eyeshadow look. And if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so I already did my foundation, and before I start my eye makeup, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D's translucent powder and just put it right under my eye area because I don't want any fallout to go under my eyes. Plus, I was gonna bake with this anyway. Use the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. This has a lot of really pretty colors in there. A lot of really pretty summer colors. First, I'm gonna start off by putting my eyelid primer by Morphe. It's just a normal eyelid primer. After putting the eyelid primer on, I'm gonna use Raw and Kylie Jenner to put right underneath my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna use Birkna, I don't know. I'm gonna use this brown shade and put it in my crease. Use ADA is what it says, but I'm gonna use this color right here, and I'm gonna put that deep into my crease. And with a little bit of Fulani, it looks like. It's just more of this brown shade right here. And now I'm gonna use this really pretty purple. It's called Makita. This one right here. And we're gonna put it all over my lid. I'm gonna put it all over my lid. Have a regular purple shade besides these two that aren't glittery, besides these two in the James Charles palette. So I think I'm gonna use I'm gonna use a darker one. I'm gonna use this darker purple to put in my crease to help blend this purple out to look more even. So after I do that, I want it under my eyes too. So I'm gonna use, if I can find it. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did at the top, starting with Burkina or whatever it is. And then this one, Ida, and then that deep purple out of the James Charles palette at the bottom. I'm gonna put this on anyway, but I'm gonna go ahead and put on the smoldering eyeliner basically in my waterline. And then I'm gonna do my wing liner, put on my eyelashes, and then I don't know what color I'm gonna do my lips yet, but I'm about to do that real quick. I'm gonna do a gloss, I know that, so I'm gonna put on whatever I put on. I'm gonna put this wet cherry, the wet cherry lip gloss that I have. I'm gonna put that on. This stuff smells so good, by the way. But I'm gonna put that with thinking of using this MAC in the color Cherish. It's kind of like this nude looking color, or I could put, I'm gonna line my lips with this Tea Rose. It's just a lip liner. I'm gonna line my lips with that, and then I'm gonna put on the MAC in the color Cherish, and then lip gloss. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Comment down below if I should do, because I really like this the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. This has really pretty like summer colors in it, but I don't know what I want to do next. But comment down below if I should play with the blue or maybe the green or the pink. I really want to do that pink. I don't have the slightest idea of what I want to do with it yet though. But yeah, comment down below what colors you think I should play with next, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you soon.